you love running super bright LEDs, but you keep tearing up the LEDs on the front because they're wrapped around the outside of your skid, well, I've got the latest solution. These are LED skids. The skids have a channel built in so that the LEDs will wrap right around the ends. The skids are translucent, so the color just projects right through them. Absolutely love this. This is the Armaton Marmot, my frame. I've got the Impulse RC Apex made so that it also protects the LED and the frame in one skid. And this is the latest. This is the bot grinder, demi bot. I've got it set up too. Again, there's a track on the inside here for the LED to go into and protect and wrap right around your frame. I can do other frames too. It just takes a little bit of design time, and I'm happy to make it happen for you. But right now I've got the Marmot, the Apex, and the Demi Bot. If you want these, go to flyhighfpv.com, order a set of skids, and just leave a note that says with LED track, and I'll make them just for you.